today we're going to go over how to sign up for classes. This video is specifically showing the classes for Texas So Magical Expo. So if you're watching this at a later date, you may see Tennessee or Florida information here instead. So you're going to go ahead and go over to the URL sewmagicalexpo.com/class signup. This will be available on the menus up here as well. And you're going to see this box here. This one is going to show you the different steps that you're going to take to sign up for your classes. The first step is to select your location. This may have additional SMAS up at the time, but for right now we see just Texas, and we're going to go ahead and click that. Once you click that, you're going to see all the classes listed in alphabetical order with the hours and the times, or the hour for the times and the cost of those class kits if it has one. If it does not have a class kit, it's going to show 0. So you can go through here and scroll through them all. And I'm going to go ahead and select, let's click the Chill Pill Crochet plushie. Once you select, it's going to take you to the next step. It's going to start with and show you January. So we're just going to go over to February. And you're going to see that the date that it's available has a bar underneath it, and the letters or the numbers are a little bit darker. You're going to select that. If the class had multiple times, you would see the different times listed here. I'm going to select the one time slot that's available. And this is where I'm going to put in my information. And this is going to ask me for my name, my email. And we're going to go ahead and fill that in. And then we're going to make sure the email that we put in here is the one that we're going to go and look at our classes for later. So make sure that it's an email that is also the same email that you're using for your So Magical Expo account that you already have. I'm going to put in the student name here. This may differ if you're signing up for classes for a different person. I'm going to put my ticket order number here. This is the order number that you got your ticket on in your email from So Magical Expo. Do not use the one from Stripe or PayPal or anything like that. Only use the order number. It's a 4-digit number from So Magical Expo, and this is how we are able to confirm that you do have a ticket. So go ahead and list that here. It should be 4 digits, like I said. And then the next box is going to ask you if you have more than one class seat. So if I selected 2 of the chill pills, I would go ahead and select yes. And then I'm going to go down here and select 2. And this is in the event that, I have maybe a friend or a child with me who has their ticket under my account and I'm signing up for classes for them. I'm going to go ahead and put in that second person's name. Let's say Luke's coming to hang out with me. And if I had a third or fourth person, I would fill in their names. I'm going to go to next step. This is where I'm going to check out. So I've got my one class here. Say I wanted to add more. I can select add new booking. It's going to take me back to the beginning, but you can see I have a little cart button here now. So I can go through all the steps and select an additional class, or I can go back to my cart and go ahead and select checkout. You can go ahead and remove this because I didn't actually select a second class. It's going to update for me. And I can go to next step. This is where I'm checking out. This shows, if I had a coupon, I could put a coupon in here. This right now, we only have credit card option for checkout, so that's going to be highlighted. If there was another option, you could select between the two. For instance, PayPal, you could select that. So I'm going to hit confirm booking. It's going to pull up a secondary window, and you're going to go ahead and fill that window out for whatever it is that you want to fill in for your credit card information. And it's going to show you here. Here's my product that I selected. Once you do that, as you can see, if you get an error, this is what it's going to look like. Once you do that, you're going to go through confirm booking, and then you will be good to go.
Follow us on all of our social media platforms to stay engaged and up to date.